Hey guys, it's Jam and welcome back to my channel. I just got home from work and I was reorganizing my kitchen and I got some new like canisters and storage jars and kitchen stuff, so I thought I'd share to you guys what I got since you guys love haul videos. So yeah, this is just gonna be a quick haul anyway, and yeah, so let's just get started. Also, I am drinking sangria. Where did I put my sangria? There we go. Cheers, guys. Also, this glass, I just got this. This is like 45 pesos. I got like 2 of them. Let's just start with the most affordable one, which is like 20 pesos. I'm sorry if this video is going to be all over the place because everything is just laid here in front of me on top of the table. So these are super affordable, 20 pesos. And I got like 3 of them. Looks like that. It's just clear. This one has like a black lid, which I think is just sleek and clean and simple. Yeah, for spices maybe. I don't even know what to put where, but gotta figure that out. This one is more like for drinks. I thought I put some like coffee in here. The thing is, I make my coffee overnight, like every single night. I thought this might save me and I can make more coffee and just store them maybe. I don't know. Also, like if I'm in a rush, especially if I'm working super early in the morning, I can take it with me wherever I go. I think 35 pesos, like what? It's less than $1, so why not? By the way, these ones are super cheap because I bought these in the market. Ano lang guys, sa mga peso-peso sa palengke. So let's move on to the other things I got. So these ones are from Japan Home Center. So these ones, super cute. These are 1L, 1 liter. And ganito yung cabinet, guys. It has that wood lid design, but it's not, it's just plastic. I think it's so simple, but it's really like cute when you like have them on display. It has like a label on it. I think it's gonna look cute. I'm gonna like put some like pastas in here or some grains or beans, I don't know. These ones are only 88 pesos each, so super affordable. The next ones are not that plain. Also, I got 2. The lid looks like this. It's super cute. This one is glass and it's oh no, that's not one. This one, it's actually like secure when you close it because of this thing that I don't know what to call. Just like that, I think. There you go, and it's super secure and it looks cute. This jar, this is 750 ml. Yeah, and what I love about these jars, by the way, they are BPA free. So, and this is also 88 pesos from Japan Home Center. I also got some gas dispensers and they look like this. They are black and just clear glass. I needed these for like a long time now because it's such a pain in the ass having to use my oil with just the glass that comes with it. I'm gonna use this for my oil, and I think I'm gonna buy some more for like my sauces. And this is only 66 pesos, guys. 66 pesos. So nice to put a label on it. I also got a mason jar that looks like this. It's huge, but I think it looks nice. I think I can also use this for storage. But I used to use this for my oats, sometimes coffee. I have the smaller ones. I'm gonna show you them. Yeah, so this one is also from Japan Home Center, and this is, I think this was 66 pesos. And my best friend Raya also actually got like a lot of these, but she bought the red ones. And I'm just gonna show it to you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use. Oh, it looks cool on cam. I love the purple color. Now I have like all of the ones she bought, and I have more over there. It's the same price, guys. They have different colors. I think they have green, they have blue, they have clear ones, they have purple or violet, I think. So if you're interested, these are available at the Japan Home Center. I got these huge ones. Look how cute. I got 2. And the cover or the lid or the cap, whatever you want to call this, looks like this. Also, you know, it has that more secure lock, so you just, you know. I was thinking of putting my like oats in here or maybe rice, but I got these from the DIY shop, which is the shop just beside the Japan Home Center in Farm Estrada, so if you're interested. Also, this is 150 pesos. Okay, and these ones are smaller mason jars, and they are cute. Looks like this. I literally use this every single day for my coffee or smoothie or overnight oats. They are just so handy. I feel more motivated in making my, you know, snacks or desserts or like my coffee whenever I'm using these. I don't know if it's just me. I got this for sale, like 99.99 or 100 pesos for two. So it's like buy one take one. And I also got like a metal straw, so you know it's more fun. Also got this like jar. This one is great for like drinks, maybe juice. I actually got this in a set with two more mason jars, which I already broke two of them. But yeah, this was 280 pesos for like one set. I think I'm gonna show you more on probably the next clips because I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna go back to like one of the stores and buy more stuff. I'm also thinking about buying my own electric oven because I want to get into baking. I'm not the best cook, but I just enjoy cooking for myself. And I should stop talking now and say goodnight to you guys. Yeah, that's it for tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? This is like a week after that haul video I did. I just got home and it's raining again. I went shopping again, like what I mentioned there. I bought more kitchen stuff and I bought my electric oven and I'm super happy and super excited. I am ready for my baking career. I think I'm gonna quickly show you what I got.
This is what it looks like, guys. I bought the 45 liters electric oven from Hanabishi. It looks small, but it's actually like big. It's big enough for me at least. Also, I got myself a shelf. It's a shelf for my pantry food.
Baby, we got something special. Ain't nobody else on our level. We got this thing nobody else does. No, oh. We got time on our side. There's no need to rush. Words can't explain. I need you so much. We got this thing nobody can.
We are in a sketchy place. Don't fall. Cleaning and organizing just take a lot of time. Can you hear the rain? It's always raining. So yeah, I went back to Japan Home Center and I got more. You can kind of like see my situation over here. So I am rearranging. I am transferring all the like spices so it's more organized and I can see everything I have. I also got like these new ones that I haven't shown you. So these ones, if you've been to Army Navy, they have Liberty and you get a free jar. So I have my coffee here, I have my cocoa sugar, and I have yet to figure out what to put in this one. I also got this today. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-year shelf and affordable, but I hope it doesn't disappoint because it's actually a little bit swingy, which I am kind of scared. Going back, I got actually the same jars. This is 88 pesos. So this is what it looks like. I got 2 more of this one. So I got 2 more of that, which is like 88 pesos as well. These days, I just find myself getting more obsessed into kitchen stuff, kitchenware, home decor and stuff. It's probably one of those signs of aging, you know, when you're getting mature, but I feel like I have more motivation in like cooking or preparing my food, or you know, I was the opposite. I was lazy. I could never prepare. I could never like dedicate time to cook something or experiment or try a new recipe. Like just this quarantine that I have learned so much. As I become older and mature, I feel like I want to keep learning and learning and learning. So yeah, they look like this. They're the same. So I guess I just wanted to chat. I've been cleaning and organizing and listening to music, and I felt like I need to talk. And this is such a good excuse. Anyway, I'm going back to listening to some more music and continue with my chore while thinking about what to eat for dinner. I want to quickly show you my oven. So this is what it looks like outside of the box, and meron pa siyang, it has still the protector, that blue thingy. It has 16-minute timer with a bell ring. Let's turn on. Okay, that's working. 100 to 250 degrees Celsius. It comes with crumb tray, non-stick coating, and it has like a helpful instruction.
We got time on our side, there's no need to rush. Words can't explain, I need you so much. We got this thing.
It came with these. We have the bake tray here, we have the wire tray, we have the roasting fork. I actually have 2 extra trays that my best friend Rhea gave to me, but let's see if this fits. Oopsie, too big. So guys, I'm gonna continue with my mess. I'm gonna try to finish everything tonight, and I'm gonna show you guys the final look, and I'm gonna tour you guys on my pantry since you guys wanted to see like food related stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
We got time on our side, there's no need to rush. Words can't explain, I need you so much.